Now, problem number 20. Okay, we have a tailor who has 20 yards of fabric. Now, how many shirts can she complete? Look how they underline the word complete. We're going to get back to that. If each shirt requires 2 3/4 yards of fabric. Now, away from this problem, this is what they mean. Let's say you have 20 yards of fabric. And for example, each shirt you want to make requires 2 yards. Okay, let's forget the fraction for now, okay? So if you have 20 yards and each shirt requires 2 yards, so basically you want to see how many 2 yards can fit in 20 yards. So mathematically, what you need to do is divide 20 by 2. So in this case, the answer is 10. You can make 10 shirts, okay, out of the 20 yards you have, since each one requires 2 yards, okay? So the operation we need to do here is division. There is no doubt about that. Okay, now we're going to apply the same concept again to this. Now, except here we have a mixed number, okay? But that shouldn't be a problem since we have been practicing this. So again, we're going to need to divide 20 by 2 3/4 to see how many shirts she can complete. And notice how they underline this. That means it's trying to get your attention to that, okay? So let's do the math. 20 divided by 2 3/4. That is correct. 2 3/4. Okay? Alright, so we have 20. We want to change it to 20 over 1. Okay? Divided by, we want to change this one to an improper fraction. So the denominator is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Add the 3, that's 11. Okay? And how do you divide? Okay, you multiply by the reciprocal. Remember that? You flip this one around. So 20 over 1 times 4 goes on top and 11 goes to the bottom. So it's 80 over 11. Okay? So if you go to your calculator and divide 80 by 11, you're gonna find 7.27. Okay, that's your answer. But the question is asking you how many shirts can she complete. Okay, remember how they underlined that word complete? So your answer in this case is 7, because she's gonna complete 7 shirts for sure. But she's gonna have leftover some fabric left over, but she doesn't have enough to complete the 8th shirt. So the answer here is 7 shirts. Okay, so you come back to your problem and you look for number 7, and it's letter B. So your final answer is 7 shirts, and that's letter B.